Hello everyone, welcome back to the TVR video series. Okay, so today we're going to have a look at the left hand side of the engine. So when we bought the car, we were told there was an oil leak on the car. I did see what to me appeared to be evidence of a leak on the manifold where it joins to the cylinder head. So today I thought I'd have a quick or closer look at what's going on. So what we've done, I'll just show you what we've got here. So this area was covered in paint, and there was some kind of sealer here. So I've scraped all that off, and I have to say I did, in my view, did see some evidence of some dampness here from oil just where the rocker cover meets the head. So I don't know if there's a slight leak there, a seepage of oil. I'm going to have to, well, I think I'm going to change the rocker cover gasket anyway, just to be on the safe side. I've cleaned this all off, wiped it over with white spirit, and I've given the car a good run this afternoon with a friend of mine, and we got it really up to temperature. And I've come home now just to have a look at what's going on, and I have to say I cannot see any trace of oil whatsoever. There is nothing. It's absolutely bone dry. I'm going to be careful, it's really hot still. It's bone dry. However, let's have a zoom in. I don't know if you can see it. Just there. Let's see if I can zoom it. Right, just there. I'm not sure if that's focusing very well. Just there. To me, that looks like a spot of weld. So I don't know if this has been previously, this head's previously been welded. I'm not sure. I have to say, when I bought the car, there was a slight trail of smoke coming out this gasket joint, just here. So I have ordered some gaskets from Burton's to replace all the gaskets, certainly on this side to start with, clean up the manifold, and in fact I'm going to paint it with some high temperature paint as well. We're looking at this now, that to me, no, it's tight. So that washer looked like it might be loose on the bottom. I think I'll have to investigate that. I think that washer might be loose as well. So anyway, we're going to pull that all off, put some new gaskets on and see what happens. We'll have a look at the faces of the manifold and the head, make sure there's no excessive pitting, etc. Make sure there's no crack, particularly where what appears to be a weld on cast. Big question mark on that. If there is a crack, we'll probably change the head. Not going to muck about, but we'll one step at a time. Let's get the manifolds off, or the manifold off this side, and have a look at what's going on. Nice little job for me there, isn't it, for the day? So I'll perhaps take a little video of that when we're doing the job, just to show you what we do find. I have to say as well, that bolt head there, that Torx head, to me, and in fact I've looked at the photograph I took earlier on, and I'm 99% sure I'm correct, that had a small trace of oil in it. Now, in my mind, there's only a couple of places that could come from. Either the rocker cover leaking, the gasket leaking, or when filling it up maybe. I don't know. Did it drip down on the rocker cover, landing in there at some point? I don't know. So yeah, we'll find out. A little bit of work to do there, and we'll have a look. Okay, I'm going to leave it there for this video, and if you like what we're doing, please subscribe. If you still like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like what we're doing, give us a thumbs down. Alright, speak to you soon. Bye bye.